Health authorities are expecting the MERS outbreak to settle down soon, but the number of new confirmed patients rose again today. There are now 108 confirmed MERS cases.
And 2 more patients have died, bringing the total to 9. And for more, we connect to our Connie Kim at the News Center. Hello, Connie. Let's start with the latest figures.
Well, guys, like all previous deaths, the last 2 victims were in hospital with severe illnesses when they contracted the virus. And these latest cases bring the fatality rate to slightly over 8%. And the interesting thing about the 13 cases announced today is that 10 of them are patients at Samsung Medical Center in Southern Seoul. This hospital has a whopping 47 cases, nearly half of the country's total. And now about the pregnant woman who tested positive for the virus yesterday at a hospital in Seoul. She is being retested after a negative result in what was supposed to be a final round of testing. Health officials say 11 MERS patients are in critical condition, while more than 3,400 people are in quarantine. There are some good news, too, that another MERS patient has been released, this one from Pyeongtaek St. Mary's Hospital in Gyeonggi-do Province, making that a total of 4 recoveries. The virus now seems to be contained at that hospital with 0 additional infections since Monday.
Well, is the government doing a good job of delivering on their promise of doing everything it can to prevent the spread of the virus so far? I know as a part of this effort, the acting prime minister made new announcements this morning. Connie, could you walk us through those?
I'll break it down into 3 points. First, Korea has designated 4 hospitals as MERS treatment centers for people showing symptoms of the disease, 1 each in Seoul, Gyeonggi-do Province, Daejeon, and Chungcheongnam-do Province. All these regions have confirmed MERS cases, and that brings the number of hospitals treating MERS patients to 16. In addition, Che said that MERS cannot be transmitted through the air, encouraging people to carry on with their daily lives. And finally, he promised to provide financial support to local governments working to contain the virus. In a separate development, health authorities pledged to financially support those who are in quarantine.
And Connie, the WHO team are currently studying the MERS outbreak in Korea. Any new developments there?
Yes, they recommended Wednesday that schools should reopen as all MERS cases have occurred within hospitals and not schools. The recommendation arrived as school boards called for more schools to be shut down nationwide. And as of today, more than 2,700 preschools and elementary schools had closed. The WHO team will announce their final study results on Saturday upon wrapping up their MERS assessment in Korea.
What about how the fear is spreading outside of Korea in terms of the virus? I heard about travel alerts being prompted. Could you give us more details on that, Connie?
Well, Daniel, Taiwan has expanded its travel alert to include the whole country, an upgrade of its previous alert just for Seoul and Gyeonggi-do Province. And you might also remember Hong Kong issued a red travel alert just yesterday. And now that's the second highest warning, and it comes with a call for citizens to avoid non-essential trips to Korea. Travel agencies in Hong Kong have canceled all package tours to Korea scheduled for this month. That's 600 programs for 12,000 travelers. A heavy blow to Korea's travel industry, definitely. Meanwhile, 3 Hong Kong residents who visited Korea recently have been quarantined as suspected cases. And according to local health officials, they had not visited any health facilities while in Korea, raising speculation about how they may have contracted the virus. Back to you.